Updating your payment information on Coinbase is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Coinbase website or app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payment Methods option. This will display all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update. Click on the Edit option to change details such as your bank account or credit card information. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment details. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Coinbase. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.